Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing anti-buffeting flaps on the GT3. This works for all 911s as well, so pretty universal all across the board. I purchased these AWE flaps from Tag Motorsports. They're located like right down the street, about 10 minutes from my house, so I was able to go do a local pickup, and yeah, it was pretty nice and easy. These are about $90. It's a little pricey, but it's a little pricey for a piece of plastic. But at the same time, the buffeting on these cars is horrendous. If you guys have seen any of my PB laps or any track videos of the 911, anything above 130, it's fucking insane. It rattles your vision. The tachometer is even shaking. Just want to get rid of that. It's pretty obnoxious. So hopefully with this fix, the audio quality will be so much more crisp with the crack pipe to give you guys all of those nice, glorious noises. So first thing we got to do, we got to come inside the car. Let me go ahead and open this door. They provide instructions, but I think that it's easier watching somebody do it. So take your plastic trim, lift up on this corner, pull up here, and that exposes a, let me see if I can see it, 20 mil Torx. Some 911 generations don't have that, and there's special directions for it. So this will be for the 911s that do. We're gonna go ahead and unscrew that. I got my Milwaukee power tool here. Hopefully I can do this with one hand. That nice and tight in there. Okay, and now we can go ahead and lift up on this plastic trim. This is the OEM trim. This is what causes that wind buffeting, that obnoxious noise. And you can see here, let me focus in on this. You know, it's shaped like this and it rounds off here. This, on the other hand, has this little lip right here on the side, and that's what'll keep it from buffeting so bad. So with our new AWE plastic trim, we need to install one of the brackets that it comes with, these L-shaped brackets, with one of the screws it comes with. It's also a 20 mil screw, so a T20 Torx bit. Sorry. So yeah, coming back to the car, there is a little hook that catches on. This hook catches on to this plastic circular piece. And so we're gonna start from the top here, and we're gonna slide down into it. Oh, let me remove that screw. Oops. Yeah, it would help to have that screw out of the way to create the clearance for you. So go ahead and push that fucker through. Bam, there he is. All right, now let's go ahead and, there we go. Just like that, you literally just push down on it and it'll pop right in place. Now we'll reinstall our 20 mil, our T20 screw. I keep on saying 20 mil. Where's my power tool? Ah, there you are. All right, I'm gonna need two hands for this because I have to hold the plate on the other side. One sec. All right, now that we have our T20 bolted in to that L bracket that was down here on the other side, it took a little bit of angling to get the right angle for that to screw in. Now I'm noticing there's a little bit of gap here, and that's just because this rubber is just so worn and beat up. You can even see it's ripped right there. So this may be a good way to, a good time to replace some rubber trim. So all we need to do now is clip back in this plastic trim. And this trim is already like in there. It's got a tether in there. So you just need to angle it correctly. Get in one corner and then, oh, missed it. You need to make sure that that top clip clips in as well. So pull that out again. And it's gonna take a little bit of effort. Don't worry, you're not gonna break anything here. Don't be worried, just don't ruin your leather. Don't jack it up past where it's going to be visible. This might require 2 hands if I can't get it this time, Aaron. Come on, you fucker. There we go. Cool. So just like that, popped it in just like that, and all the sides are clipped in, and our piece is installed. Fitment looks okay. It's, you know, it's an aftermarket piece, plastic. I already did the other side. Other side is the same thing, so it's nothing different. And it's such a small piece that you don't really focus on it to see if the fitment is bad or not. But I would rate the fitting. I mean, you notice this gap right here up top. You could probably move that over, maybe. I'm not even sure. I'd rate it about a 7.5 out of 10. Don't worry, I have PPF on the car, so I'm not scratching my paint, guys. That's why all this tire goo's on here. So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. All the hardware is included. You just need, like I said, a T20 bit and a plastic trim remover. They even give you a blow pop as well. So cool. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like it, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.